What's going on, everybody? So we got an opportunity to take our shifter carts and participate in a hill climb event. Normally this event is for cars only, but somehow we persuaded the organizers to say, hey, let us run our shifter carts on it. What you'll see is essentially go-karts doing 100 plus miles an hour up a mountain road at full speed, wide open throttle, and I actually ended up blowing a tire midway through the hill climb. It was an absolutely incredible experience. Unfortunately, I didn't have the GoPro stabilization set on, so there is a lot of vibration in the video, but it will still give you a great perspective of how fast we were going. And one of my favorite moments was when we got to the very top of the hill climb. There's these drift cars, and they just started drifting around us like we were part of the course. And it was just a fantastic event. And well, you'll have to see the video to get an essence of how fast we truly were going. At one point in the straightaway, we were doing well over 110 miles an hour in the carts, and being only a few inches off the ground, and you know, there's a lot that could go wrong, but in the end, it's probably one of my favorite experiences as far as utilizing my shifter cart, was to actually use it for a hill climb event. But thanks for watching. Check out the video, and more craziness to come.
Make sure you get her in neutral so it's easy start.
Yeah, buddy.
Booster. Hey.
You guys are so pretty.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
Hey.
How you doing?
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey. That looks great, Chris.
Oh, yeah. sitting there. She's toast.
Dude, it looks flat.
Yeah, I come around that one bend, I was like, oh, she's slick.
Yeah, that's flat.
It was like 95.
Found it.
I was like, it's loose.
Found it, it's right there.
Full tear in there.
Yeah, you're not airing that one up.
Nope. She did.
Pavement out here is not as smooth as kart track, huh?
Hey, on the plus side, your brake rotor's been doing you real good.
You're
Four rotor.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, man.
Do that one.
Wow.
It builds character when they drag in concrete, you know?
Yeah.
Well, it saved the chassis.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, my rear caliper, the piston was sticking earlier, and I thought I loosened it, but she didn't like that.
Oh.
Well, that's fun.
Yeah. I'll still do donuts around it, don't you worry.
Huh?
You can just sit there.
Yeah,
I'll just sit there.
There
I'll
we go.
roll up. Even with the little flat, I'll get up there.
How you feeling, man?
I'm sorry, I just had shoulder surgery.